welcome to today's vlog. We are camping with my parents for the very first time. They have never been to a campground, and I've been waiting for this moment since last year, so I am really excited. We are at Americamps RV Resort in Ashland, Virginia. Our sites are pull-through sites right next to each other. That's my car right there. So Henry is actually on his way to get the other camper, the Lance, so that they can stay in the Lance. I'm gonna get it all prepped for them, so literally all they have to do is show up and relax. So Henry has arrived. Since this is not a buddy site, we are trying to recreate a buddy site, so we pulled in the opposite direction, but now the sewer connection is on this side, so we have to make sure that it is long enough. We shall see.
Hey guys, I've been working real hard trying to set up these two RVs, and this is our setup. This also allows us to figure out what to put in the RV, because we actually have our first rental coming up soon, and we have to get it ready, and this is kind of helping us prepare for that as well. This is just a little local campground called Americamps. So far so good. We will be doing a review on this, so stay tuned for that. Somewhere in this vlog we will splice that in there.
Good morning. We are headed over to the camp store slash like rec center, I guess, to grab some breakfast. They have continental breakfast here, so I'm just gonna peep it out, see what they have going on, maybe grab some coffee. Last night I was gonna do some more vlogging, but I actually fell asleep pretty early. You too, right? I think we were both in bed before 9 o'clock, which is pretty pathetic. For some people, the highway noise can be a bit overwhelming. It didn't really bother me last night when I was sleeping. Did you hear the highway noise at all?
No, I'm a deep sleeper.
I don't know, that could be an issue for some people that come here, but again, it was not an issue for me or my parents nor Henry. So this is the simulator that they're doing the raffle for.
I turn it on, gear shifter, and go is this one, brake is that one.
Okay.
And when that glows up red, that's when you shift the gears. There's no 7 and 6.
Okay.
There's 1, 2, 4, 3, 5.
Okay. This is gonna determine whether or not I'm gonna let you drive my car.
Put it in first gear. Now go. Why am I turning that? And this one's reverse.
Okay.
I think you're stalling out.
Oh, so this is like legit.
It's like driving a real 5-speed car.
Gotcha.
Yeah, you gotta actually take off slow, and when it revs up, that's when you shift the gear.
Okay, let's just say you won't be getting a stick shift on your 16th birthday.
Good morning guys, just going for a walk and checking out the campground. Just got back and I got my second COVID shot. Hopefully I won't have any side effects. Pray for me. This place is awesome, by the way. This place has gated access in and out, fitness center, camp store, basketball court, all types of stuff. What are you doing?
Hey, we're looking at campers. They've looked at quite a few, but now they're looking at a fifth wheel just to see what it's like.
Which one? Let me see it. What are y'all looking at? An Alpine.
Yeah, I don't know what that is, but she's showing us, so we're about to go take a look.
Are they gonna get a dually? We go with it?
I don't know. I mean, for the cost of the Class A, we're just looking, baby.
Okay.
All right, we'll be back soon. We're almost done.
We're getting hungry.
I know.
You know we'd die if you weren't around.
All right. So tell me, how do you feel about camping?
Love it.
You love it?
I love it.
Are you gonna get a camper?
Yes.
This camping experience for us has been really unique because, as we said before and as you've seen, my parents came with us and this was their first time camping. So the location that we picked is literally in our backyard. But little did we know that the weekend that we happened to choose would be race weekend here in the area at the raceway. And the campground that we're at has had so many fun activities.
Not only did they have live music, they also had free beer and a free hibachi meal. So you can't beat that. So far, this park has exceeded our expectations.
If you come in on Friday, Saturday, or Sunday, it also includes continental breakfast. And they have a nice selection of foods, beverages, and really good coffee. So as far as data and reception, the data here for T-Mobile works great. Absolutely no breaks in service or anything like that. They do offer Wi-Fi, however, you won't be able to stream movies or anything like that.
Choose a road. Which one you want to go in? Which matters? Okay, I didn't know.
Oh, that's a nice kit.
That's what I was thinking.
18. It's a big kit.
So one of the best things about this place for you beer lovers out there is that this campground is literally across the street from a brewery, Center of the Universe Brewing Company. So definite plus there. Another plus is that they do have a fitness center here, which is pretty well stocked. As you can see, they have the cardio equipment, free weights, all the necessities you would need to get in a good workout.
Roxy makes friends. Your sister makes friends. Make enemies.
How old are they?
They're both under 2.
They're cute.